Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this look. This is like a botanical garden glass type of artsy look, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to be starting with these super long extra nails. I'm actually going to be cutting them, and then I'm going to prep them for acrylic application. By the way guys, this was my first time filming myself doing acrylic nails, so bear with me. The way my hand was positioned and how far out it was just not something I was comfortable with. So my acrylic application will not be the best, but I still decided to post this for you guys because I thought it was a really cool look. So right now I'm just adding acrylic to my pinky nail. I'm using Cover Beige from Maya Secret. And I really love this color for like a nudie bed, nail bed color. I'm just kind of trying to put it at an angle. I am gonna use you can use like an X-Acto knife to do this, but I'm going to just kind of cut off at an angle so that way it kind of gives it like a really nice cool look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some, this is gonna be my cuticle bead. And usually how I do my acrylic nails on myself is I take my hand and I put it in front of me, kind of like facing towards me. So that way the acrylic does not go into it doesn't touch my skin at all. The gravity actually allows the acrylic to naturally pull down. So it just makes it so much easier for me to do my nails that way. But since they're laying flat right now, I have to kind of just get used to trying to do them this way because I want to start filming my nail looks for you guys. So I gotta learn how to do my nails when they're just flat on like a flat surface. Now I'm taking my pinching tool. I really love this thing. It really just makes your nails look better in my opinion. It makes it look very slender and it just kind of actually builds strength on the nail. I'm taking these flowers from, I think, Amazon. I've got them a while ago, but I'm sure you can find some on there. I'm just gonna take some clear acrylic and kind of place some glitter in some random spots on the clear part of the nail. And then I'm gonna take some more acrylic, I'm gonna take some more acrylic, clear acrylic, and then I'm gonna put some flowers down on where I think it looks good. Sticking these on were kind of hard, so you just kind of want to work with it. It takes some time, and yeah. The good thing about this is that you can add whatever you want, whatever flowers you want. If they're sunflowers, dried grass, dried leaves. Leaves would probably be really nice for the fall time right now. Now I'm just going to take some more of that Cover Beige color, and I'm going to put it all over my finger. Not my finger, I'm gonna put it all over this nail, and then at the bottom I'm gonna put like a little embellishment butterfly gold charm thing. Again, my hand was so far away from my actual seeing, so it was kind of hard to see like where I was gonna put that, where I was putting the bead and applying it on my finger. So just bear with me, this is not the best, but I will learn and get better at this. We're all practicing, right? This was actually my first time doing extremely long nails like this, so I really liked them. I'm gonna start doing a lot more like this. I like the look of really long nails. So off camera, I actually took my hand and put it in front of my face like I told you before, just because, like I said, it allows me to do my cuticle area a little bit better. So now I'm going to go ahead and cap the flowers and encapsulate everything And this is just gonna make sure that none of the flowers get filed away. You also want to use your you want to clear cap using a wetter bead so that it kind of seeps into all of the crevices, so that way it looks clear as possible. Alright, these are the little gold things I was talking about, and I got these from Michael's. And I'm going to take the butterfly one and put it at the tip of my nail. What I did was actually bend the butterfly a little bit so that it sits flatter on my nail. And I'm going to go ahead and cap this entire nail with the clear acrylic. This is also from Mia Secret. And I love this clear acrylic as well. Now going on to my middle finger. This finger was definitely the struggle finger. This one's the one that I just could not get the cuticle right. At one point I actually just brought it off of camera and started doing it. But on this nail, I'm going to try to do a really straight line closer to the nail bed. You'll see what I'm talking about as you watch the video. And then I'm also going to just kind of cut it off and file. I did mess up on this finger. I wasn't able to cut it while it was wet enough, so as it kind of dried, it was kind of like harder to cut off the piece that needed to go. As you can see here, I'm struggling quite a bit. I tried to kind of file as straight as possible, so it came out okay, but definitely not something that I would just like leave on a client, but for this video it's fine. I went ahead and just put the flowers on and did my other finger, and I'm gonna go ahead and cap these two fingers or nails as well. At this point, you want to go ahead and just pinch your other nails. I forgot to do it. You'll see me pinching this in a bit, but you definitely want to pinch every single nail, not just like some of them. And again, with a wetter bead, I'm just going to put this on my middle fingernail. I'm actually taking like 6 beads to clear cap this. Honestly, it doesn't matter how many beads that you take, as long as you kind of build up your structure and you kind of clear every part of that nail. Again, I know that cuticle area is not how it's supposed to be. Don't come for me. All right, so to the next finger. I did notice that I actually pulled my finger downwards, and as you can see, it kind of just allows the acrylic to naturally go down my nail. So that's what I was kind of talking about when I like usually don't fill my nails and do it in front of me. So yeah, I'll probably use this method for future videos. I am now pinching my middle finger. It's a little too late to do that, but I decided to do it anyway. And yeah. So these are the nails all filed and ready to go for clear coat. This is the Mia Secret Glass top coat, something like that. I really love this top coat. It's really nice and smooth, and it's very easy to work with. As you can see, the clear nails really does come through using the glass top coat. It's really nice, and this really just pops out all of the nice colors that we put into it. And you can really see the true color of the nude as well. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see, like as far as looks down below. Oh, here I'm just applying cuticle oil. Really love this stuff. Make sure you always apply that. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in. Guys, I'm posting videos at least once every weekend, so come back if you want to see more of this kind of content. And yeah, see you guys in a later video. Bye.